Welcome. Today discussing about the couple. Co-planar forces. Finally, we are coming to couples and the couples. And the last theorems of the co-planar forces. Now we are studying with the couple. What is the couple? The two forces parallel, not same line. Parallel, not same line. Generate the couple. Generate the couple. Generate the couple. Here, this was active, this direction, this was active, this direction. The two forces moment having some particular point, this is clockwise. This is also again clockwise. Actually rotating. Rotating means it creates the couple. Rotating means it creates the couple. Right. In the day-to-day life, we can see couple exists there. Normal van, domestic van. We know that domestic van, tap, tap like this. We are rotating here. We are rotating here, turning to close, or turning to opening. Opening, we are putting here force. There are told to work like this. And bicycle handle. Motorbike go in it handle. We are turning to this direction. We are making here force. We are making here force. This is also couple, right? The couple exists in the day-to-day life like this. Right. Now, today discussing about couple actually moment not depending in moment taking point. We say here is the point, P point. We are taking moment, G. This direction equal under distance here, X, distance here, Y, perpendicular distance, F2 perpendicular from P to this one, X and Y. Then moment about P, F into X, Fx, this direction. Here moment again, F into Y, plus Fy, equal F times X plus Y, equal FD. What is the D? D is the parallel two forces in between distance. Distance, parallel two forces, distance. Apart from the D distance, D. Actually, in this couple, this is the couple moment. The couple moment clockwise, right? This direction is clockwise. Actually, unit joule, right? Moment unit. So make moment unit, right? We are taking this point, another point Q point moment. What the Q point moment? Q, this direction equal G is equal Q into this one. We say this one again is a simple is a. This is D, yeah? This is D. Equal, but then is a plus D, F plus is a plus D. This is moment anticlockwise. F is A minus F is A. After simplifying this given FD, but that if we are selecting any point in this plane, all the time upper is FD, upper moment FD. That is same. Upper moment FD. Actually, upper moment not depending in the selecting point. That is constant. The given particular couple moment is all the time constant. Right? That is very, very important thing. Another one, we know that couple. Related to the couple, they have mainly two theorems. Two theorems. Very, very important for the coplanar process. The elder one, this is as all the time. All the time, elder question given, small part of this one. Right. This is number one theorem. Number one theorem. What the number one theorem? Given force, a force plus couple. Right? This is the F plus G equal all the time. What that? F. This is at A point. This is at B point. B point. At B point. At B point. Right? At B point. How to illustrate this? Very easy to see. What that? F plus G equal F. Simply see F plus F equal G. The same F only giving. That means given force and couple adding given force, another point force, not same point force. The illustrate we can see like that, F here, F, couple here, G couple, right? This point A, this force A. Now point B, construct another force, opposite tan, magnitude same, F, F, with force, F and F, right? F and F. This should be selected to the all the time. This distance, perpendicular distance, G over R. This is very, very important. G over F, G over F. Distance, G over F, right? Now, we can say here, this is F here, this is F here. This force and around here, this force create the couple. This way. What is the couple? This way. F into perpendicular distance G over F. G over F. What then? G couple create. These two forces. Okay? G couple this direction. Magnitude G couple. What is happening then? See, this G couple anti-clockwise, this given G couple clockwise, that is cancelling. Each other cancelling. Clockwise and anti-clockwise, that is cancelling. Right? Couples are cancelled. Right? This force use for this thing. Right? This force use. Right? This force use. Right? This force use. This one, couple G. Right? This a force is this one. This is a force. This is a force, this one, huh? This one and this one. This force. sorry, this force. Clockwise, F into GO, F into GO, clockwise. This is going to be clockwise. This is given couple anti-clockwise. I'm using given couple anti-clockwise, not clockwise. Sorry, given couple G clockwise. Then F plus G equal, what that? F plus G equal again. This diffuse, diffuse, diffuse. All the time these two, this not this one, no? This one use. Clockwise couple line, anti-clockwise couple line. This is cancelling. Then what is the remaining? This is use, this is use, this is cancelling. GG, F only remaining. What that? Single force. What is that? Single force plus couple equal the, apart from the GOF single force. GOF single force. Exciting others current. Right? Right? GOF single force. This is the second first theorem. What that? F plus G equal F. What the distance? G over F distance. Single force. Right? And another theorem says, this is vice versa of this theorem. Single force all the time with replace that. Single force replace that. Single force replace that. Couple and another single force. Couple and single force. This is the single force. Theorem 2. Theorem 2. Theorem 2. Single force, your single force. A, here B. B select on the plane, any place, any place. This is not limited to the distance, right? Any distance. We create F and F parallel to here, F and F. F and F. Right? Right? Any distance. We say D distance. D distance. This force and this force create the couple. Like that, D couple. D couple. FD couple. Right? This is used, this is used. But the remain in this one. But that F is equal G having G plus F. G plus F. Right? Single force can replace that couple and another single force. Another single force, same magnitude, single force. What are the two theorems? Force plus couple equal force, GOF distance. Number 2, F equals G plus F, any distance apart, any distance apart. Those are the two theorems, very important. Next time I am discussing the questions about regarding to these things. Right. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.